Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be making some fairy jewelry today, and I'm going to use this mold which I got from Temu. All the supplies I'm using today will be in the description box below. Also, if you're interested, you can check out my Etsy shop, which is Creations by Laurel. And if you'd like to support my channel, I have a link to my PayPal for Buy Me a Coffee, and it's only to support the channel so I can keep making these videos. So let's get started. This is holographic mica powder. And I did get this from Amazon, and it was a order that had gone wrong. For the price I paid, I was supposed to get, I believe, 10 of these different colors, and it never came in. And then one day after I did my return, it finally came in, but it was one. So I'm going to try this out. Okay, so now I'm going to cure this for 180 seconds and then turn it over and cure the other side for 180 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, so they're all done curing, and I put white on some of them on the back. I think they turned out really nice. And here's the black on the back. I think those are really pretty. There's another black one. I think it's just so pretty. So I have them divided up on how I want to make them. I have earrings over here, charms, keychain, and pendants. Okay, so now we'll start putting them together. Okay, so now they're all done. And in the comment section, please comment on which ones are your favorite. My favorite are the multicolored glitter with the black background. I think those are just so pretty. And my second choice, I believe, would be, I do like this one, but I do like the mica powder. I think it's just absolutely beautiful. You know, and then the other ones come in, you know, third, fourth, fifth, whatever. But I really like to know which ones you like the best. So please comment below. And I really enjoyed making these. It was a lot of fun. I was just testing different ones out, see how they would turn out. So if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell for notifications of upcoming videos. In the description box below, you will find links to all my supplies, and you'll find a link to my Etsy shop, which is Creations by Laurel, and also my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.